Hey guys, it's Jovi, and welcome back to our lifestyle channel. If you didn't know, I am collecting a new potware set, big girl potware, right? So I have been collecting some Le Creuset pots, and I wanted to show y'all what I have gotten. Okay, I do have some more items that are pre-order and are on their way, but a couple of those aren't reaching until the end of August. Even I have one that's not even reaching to the end of December. Like, what the hell? But I wanted to show y'all what we got. I really want to show you what we got. I'm excited. I'm way too excited. So before we begin, please don't forget to like this video. Like it now, because you ain't gonna remember to like it later. Just like it now, and subscribe to all of my YouTube channels. This one and also my main channel, Jovi Beauty. It's lifestyle channel, celebrity news channel. Just follow me, sis. Just follow me. And yeah, all my other social media platforms. I'm Jovi Beauty on all platforms. So please follow, please subscribe. And now let's bust these boxes open and let me tell you what your sis got today. Okay, guys, so if you don't know, Le Creuset is a French potware company. They've been out for over 100 years. They create amazing pots, and they have different sizes: pots, pans, bakeware. I got some bakeware over here. Pots, pans, bakeware, just a whole assortment of very well-made items, the type of potware that you buy and you keep forever. That's why I wanted to get them, because I like heirlooms. I want to have things like my Louis bags and those certain pieces of jewelry. And now my potware collection, I want to have items that are valuable, not only the money, but items that are valuable that I can hand off, like the Lenox china. You know what I'm talking about, like the Lenox china, those sort of things that I can hand off to my daughter and my granddaughter and whatever, right? So let's start with our first item, the mini Cooquettes. So I got a four-piece box. Okay, they come in different colors. I have pink, I have purple, I have like a darker pink, and this is like another color purple. They're like different shades. Okay, you're gonna get my color scheme. If you know me, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get me, sis. So these you can have as side dishes, right? These are so well freaking made. Side dishes, you can make desserts in them. These can go on the stove, these can go on in the oven. These are the kind of pots that, again, from stove to oven, oven to stove, they keep the heat in for like hours at a time. You know how sometimes you make things and you just leave it there, and after like 20 minutes or so you have to heat it back up. Not Le Creuset pots. They are in there like swimwear. Okay, so like I said, these are the mini Cooquettes. I have a 4-piece set box in metallic. I got these from Amazon, actually. I got this set from Amazon, and I love them. Y'all see them? They're so gorgeous. They are gorgeous. Okay, what else? Now, I literally had this in another color, and I went to Crate & Barrel to return it like 2 days ago. This is called, if I can get the name correct. Again, it's enameled cast iron, okay? This is the deep round signature grill. They're stopped making these. They're discontinuing these in all of the colors. They come in, it's an assortment of colors. And even like Crate & Barrel have their own signature color. Williams Sonoma, which is Crate & Barrel signature color, I believe is fig. I have fig items. I'll show y'all in a minute. Williams Sonoma signature color, I believe, is Nectar, which is like a tangerine color. It's very beautiful. I have one thing in the Nectar coming. It won't be here until like the end of August, the beginning of September, but I got a great sale. You know what I mean? I got a great sale because I got it in pre-order. So I got a great sale. I got it for like half off because these things aren't cheap. Okay. But this cost me $100, just $100 because it is discontinued. Look at that grill. You see that grill pan? You know what kind of amazing steak, grilled cheese, veggies, all of that you can make in a pan like this. These are like them old type pans that our grandmothers used to have that somehow we forgot to buy because then they started offering them little cheap, $100, $200 for the box of 85,000 things that can't really survive. Oh, now, like I said, I have a color scheme. Y'all already know how I give it up. I'm fashion girl. Y'all already know. It's like packing slips and stuff in here. So I have, look at this pot. Y'all see this pot? Do you see? Let's look at it real fast. Just look at it. See that gold handle? Look at this. This is what, when you having a function at your job, right? Because you a high class bitch, right? You having a function at your job. This is the pot you bring with the what you call it? I forgot what you call it. When it's a potluck. This is the pot you bring with your whatever, with your macaroni and whatever sis, and you just place it there looking all. I'm high class. I don't know about the rest of y'all. I'm high class. Anyway, this is cast iron enamel as well, I believe. The color is shiny white. This is 9.5 inches and 3.5 US quarts. Okay. So it's a really nice size. You can bake turkey. You could bake a chicken in there. You can saute some shit on the stove and then put it directly in the oven and just let it cook, sis. Same pot the stove, stove the oven the table. Okay. Stove the oven. What? Oven to where? Table. Let me put this back in because I want to put my pot. Hold on. Just give me a second. I'll fix it later. I'll fix it when I finish. All right. Put this aside. Okay, because I got some more pots to show y'all. Now, these boxes. The color on the box is called Flame. That was their original color. But now, like I said, they have numerous colors. Any color that you want, any color that you can really think of, they probably have something. They probably have it or something very similar. Okay. This is Fig. Okay. This is the signature color for Crate and Barrel. This is, again, cast iron, just like the other one that I just showed you in white. This is larger. Hold on, let me tell you the size. This is called the signature Casserole. So this is probably what you'll take to work. So it's like an ombre. The color is called Fig, but it's like an ombre color, right? It goes from dark to light or going up. Also my gold handle, which I love. Let me show you the inside of this. You can make anything and everything in there, sis. Everything and anything in there. I wouldn't necessarily say that you would probably want to make light food in this one and make darker food. You get the vibes, right? You get darker food in the white one, aka that's how you do it, sis. Now, again, this is the casserole. It's 5.5 quarts. I got 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. And I still have some other items I want to get. I'm trying to get the big one that's like turkey, like Thanksgiving, even though I don't eat Thanksgiving turkey. Side note, just a quick. I also got this cutting board. This is not Le Creuset, but look at this shit. Isn't it so pretty? So the last, I do have some bakeware to show you next, but the last pot I have is this Brazer, which is like this shit is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at it. It's a Brazer. So you saute, do anything or any of these pots. You know, fuck, you can make some macaroni and cheese in this bitch. This is giant. It is deep. It will hold the temperature. It will cook everything easily and evenly. Okay. This is called the signature Casserole Brazer. Okay. It's 3.5 quarts, 11 3/4 inches. And again, this is in fig. As I previously stated, I did purchase, I have one that's coming. I have 2 coming, and I have 2 more on my wish list. I have 2 coming. One is, what's the color? It's like a blue. It's like a blue color that works really well with the purple and the white, right? And I have that nectar color I was talking to you about. I have one in each of those coming. Those should be here by the beginning of I have one that's going to be here by the beginning of September, and the other one, the nectar one, isn't even going to reach till December 28th, they said. It's crazy. But I got it for less than half of retail, so I really can't complain. It's kind of like, now that I'm paying attention, it's kind of like the nectar is kind of like this color. It's gorgeous. And just think about it. When you mix it and match and like on your table for whatever, let's say it's Thanksgiving, let's say it's a party, let's say whatever, and you want to use one of your pots to make something, those colors complement each other. The purple and the blue complement. The purple and the white complements everything. The nectar complements, complementary colors. Now, all of my bakeware is white because I just like white bakeware. I have this. This is a Tapas Bowl. I actually got this from Amazon. I got 2 things from Amazon. I got this, and I got the little Cooquette. This is a Tapas Bowl. Real stoneware. It cost me like $15 or some shit like that. I'm probably going to end up getting more of those. But if I do, I will probably get them when they come out in some of the colors that I want. I have this that I got. This is another bakeware set. Where did I get this from? I think I got this from Amazon too. Another bakeware set. It's a little bowl inside and a big bowl here. Again, holds heat amazingly. Okay, you could start. You know how when you start making, like, let's say for a party, dinner or whatever, by the time you finish, the shit that you finish first is cold. Not with this stuff. This is a rectangular dish with a platter lid. Look at this shit. The lid is a platter as well. Okay, keeps in the heat. It's 14 by 9 inches. You oven, grill, microwave, dishwasher safe, freezer. It is just, the only thing is you can't use direct heat. So like you can't put this on, unlike the pots, you can't put this directly on the stove. But it's amazing and it's gorgeous. All of my pots are so fucking lovely, and I'm so excited that I was able to start my collection. Now, when the other pans come, I will give an update on those. And when I'm finally able to use them, like to the extent that I really want to use them, y'all, we're going to be up in here cooking, child. And as always, okay, if you have any questions, ask me down below. But until then, don't forget to live your life like it's golden. There's no other way to live it. Live your best life, sis. Buy them pots, sis. Buy that watch, sis. Do that thing, sis.